All right, here's the second video. You guys just saw me finish the back wheel, and now I'm just doing the front wheel. So because these wheels come in packages of two, I'm going to go ahead and do both wheels. So we have two new wheels. Take your two 5mm Allen wrenches, get them in, and we need to start unscrewing. There we go. Got that to come out. So again, pretty easy, just two screws. Get the wheel out. Get the get this out real quick. Sometimes these are just in there because they've been used so often. There you go. Got that part out. And just gonna grab that out real quick. That's it. Tire comes off. That was an easy tire to come off. Got the one washer there. Got the second washer there. Okay, just gonna wipe these washers off a little bit. There we go. Just get all the grime and dirt off of them as these are used. Whatever they've been through. All right. Try to cut that off a little more. There you go. There we go. Just came off a little bit more. All right. Now I'm just gonna put the new wheel in. And take this. Right now, I'm just going to slightly move this in. Get at least that washer started right there. Get the tire in. Got that side in. And as that goes through, see if I can do it this way. Get the other washer in. I know it might be easier if I turn this downwards, but I'm trying to do this for the video. There we go. Line it up. Should be lined up. There you go. I have it lined up, and then get my thread locker, apply some on this screw. And all we need to do is put this back in. Not that hard replacing tires or wheels on the scooter. And now we just tighten it. And there we go. Front wheel's done. Tighten that a little more. Has a little bit too much room over there, but yeah, that's it. There you go. Too tight. Want it to move freely. There you go. There you go. That's it. And now we have two new wheels on this, and this is ready to go. All right. Hope you enjoyed the videos.